Turning to the weather now, and tonight's viewer photo is showcasing some dark clouds about central Australia and was sent in by Casey Crowcamp. Showers across much of the territory today. There were some isolated storms as well. A top of 30 in Darwin today, 31 degrees in Warramayunga. Zooming out, Katherine and Jabiru reached 30 and Borroloola 34. 38 degrees for Alice Springs and a scorching 44 in Yulara, and Tennant Creek topped 32. On the satellite we can see monsoon clouds with rain and storms across the north of the country. Thunderstorm clouds also developed in the west in the afternoon. The monsoon trough remains across the base of the top end, a tropical low is sitting west of Daly waters, while there are additional troughs sitting over WA and Central Australia. Interstate tomorrow, storms and rain across the east of the country. 23 degrees in Hobart, 29 at the top for Sydney. Melbourne heading for 23, Canberra heading for the same, a top of 23 degrees as well. 31 degrees in Brisbane, 23 in Adelaide, and Perth expected to reach 32 degrees. Back in the territory tomorrow, Alice Springs and Yulara headed for 39 degrees, Tennant Creek 31 and Papunya 41. Further north, where heavy rain is continuing, Katherine headed for 30, 32 in Borroloola and a top of 33 in Gallowinku. And in the west, 31 in Wadair, rain and a possible storm for Darwin tomorrow, heading for 32 degrees. There are flood warnings in place across the NT with significant rises in the levels of rivers and creeks across the Adelaide, Daly, Katherine and Victoria rivers. There'll be a high tide at 11 minutes past 9 and low tide at 3:30 in the afternoon. The sun will rise tomorrow at 6:32 and set at 7:20. Ahead in Darwin, heavy falls continuing tomorrow. Showers and possible storms still expected for the coming days. In Alice Springs, a medium chance of showers starting from tomorrow. Hot conditions are likely to continue with temperatures hovering around the high 30s. Stay with us now. Laura Tingle is up next with 7:30. Good night.